Hello friends, hope you are in good health. This is Sadia from scholarshiproar.com. In this video, we will talk about the Rhodes Scholarship, its benefits, eligibility criteria, and lastly, the step-by-step application procedure. The link of this scholarship is given in the description box below. With that being said, let's get started. The Rhodes Scholarship is the most prestigious and oldest international scholarship program, enabling brilliant young people from around the world to study at the University of Oxford. This scholarship is offered for master's and PhD degree. Each year, a class of 100 scholars is selected from over 60 countries around the world. The deadline of this scholarship varies per country. You can check it from here. For example, let's select Australia. The deadline for Australia is September 11th. Now let's select China. For China, the deadline is October 12th. Similarly, you can check the deadline for your country before applying. Next is courses offered. You can enroll in any postgraduate degree offered at University of Oxford. The information about permitted degrees can be checked here. Almost all types of postgraduate degrees are eligible with some exemptions. For example, Masters in Finance Economics and the MBA are not available. You can read the details from here. You can choose any course from here. You can use these filters to search the course of your choice. The next section is scholarship coverage. Rhodes Scholarship covers a living stipend of over 15,000 euros per annum, all university and college fees, one economy class round trip between Oxford and your home country, and the university application fee. The tenure of the scholarship is 2 years, subject always to satisfactory academic performance and personal conduct. The scholarship may be extended to a 3rd year for those who take a recognized route to PhD. Now let's discuss the eligibility criteria for Rhodes Scholarship. Click here to check the list of eligible countries for this scholarship. Here you can check if your country is eligible for the scholarship or not. All applicants must have completed bachelor's degree by October. Your academic standing must be sufficiently high to ensure admission to the University of Oxford. For example, in Canada, a minimum GPA of 3.75 out of 4 is expected. Age limits varies between constituency and range from a minimum age limit of 18 to a maximum of 28 by October 1st. In most constituencies, the age limit is 24 or 25. Please carefully check the specific age requirement for your constituency before applying. The required language is English. Moving on to the next section, which is how to apply for Rhodes Scholarship. First, let's discuss about the required documents. CV. Please do not include a photograph in your CV for this particular scholarship. To know more about how to write a CV for scholarship, you can click on the link in the description box. Next is evidence of academic record transcripts for undergraduate degree and any postgraduate study. Personal statement or essay should include a clear statement of what you wishes to study at Oxford and why. To know more about the statement of purpose, you can check the link in the description box. English language proficiency, where English is not the first language. Check requirements here. Evidence of age, birth certificate, passport, photograph, and 4 reference letters. Now let's discuss the step-by-step application process. Click here to apply online for this scholarship. Now you have to select your country. For example, I am going to select Pakistan. The application process is same for every country, so don't worry if you are not from Pakistan. You should read this document about country-specific information for candidates, which is pretty much the same for each country as already covered in this video. Next document shed light on guidance for referees. Now, let's click on Apply Now. First, you have to register from here. After getting registered, click Login. Enter your email and password and click Login. On this page, check this box to agree with the privacy policy of Rhodes Scholarship. You can read about the privacy policy from here. Check this box to confirm that all information you provide in this application will be accurate and truthful, and misrepresentation will result in disqualification. Now again, you have to select your country. For example, I am selecting Pakistan. Again, they have suggested to read about the journal information about the Rhodes Scholarship, the application overall, and the information for candidates. Again, deadline is mentioned here. For Pakistan, the minimum age requirement is 18 and maximum is 24. Or for older candidates, you must have not reached your 27th birthday and you have met or will meet the requirement for completion of your first degree on or after 1st October 2019. Enter your date of birth here, like 12th March 2000. Select current nationality, country of residence. Here you have to enter number of years of formal studies at an educational institute in Pakistan over the last 10 years. If you don't have any study gap, then enter 10. Have you completed a school or college leaving exam at the school or college in Pakistan? Select yes. Have you received or will you receive an undergraduate degree or mark sheet establishing eligibility to receive an undergraduate degree at a university in Pakistan? Select yes. Academic achievement. You must have completed an undergraduate degree from a college or university to a sufficiently high standard to be admitted to postgraduate study at the University of Oxford. In this respect, please note carefully the requirements for your chosen course at Oxford, and A to Z of Oxford's graduate courses can be found here. Course selection is already explained in this video. What is the marking scheme for your undergraduate degree? Select GPA out of 4. Here, enter your final or current GPA. I am entering 3.89. Next is English language requirements. You can check the language requirements from here. Select yes for English language proficiency. Next section is about Rhodes Scholarship application. Select no if you have not applied for Rhodes Scholarship previously. How did you find out about Rhodes Scholarship? Select social media. How long have you been aware of Rhodes Scholarship? I am selecting less than 1 year. Save and next. On this page, enter your personal details and upload your birth certificate. Fill in your contact information and contact numbers and mailing details. Save and next. In this section, provide information about your nationality and residence. Upload your national identity card. Save and next. In this section, enter information about your university and higher education. Upload your transcript. Check this box if you have completed this degree. I am uploading my final transcript. If you have additional degree like masters, you can enter this field. Next section is about your secondary school education. Upload your result here. Enter the information about your institute and start and end date of your studies here. Save and next. Upload your CV here and your picture here. Click Save and next. In this section, you have to provide information about your referees. You can read about the condition and information about the referees. Enter name, email address, and select type between academic and character. Send invitation. 4 referees are required. At least 3 of your referees should be academics and 1 may be referee of your character. Click Save and Next. In this section, enter your proposed course of study. For example, I am selecting Renewable Energy Marine Structures. Select second proposed course for study. For example, I am selecting MSc Engineering Science. If you have any further comments on what you intend to study at Oxford, you can register your comments in this field. In this section, enter your personal statement, which can be maximum of 1000 words. Enter your name and date. Click Save and Next. Here a few questions are asked which will help the Rhodes Trust in its outreach to future applicants. If you don't wish to answer these questions, you can check this box. Click Save and Next. In this field, you can enter any other information that you would like to add to your application. In the end, enter your full name and date. Click Save and Next to review your application before submission. After online application, shortlisted candidates will be invited to a social engagement and a final interview. You must be available to attend both in person, as no accommodations can be made on date and time of these events. No candidates will be selected without an interview. Travel expenses will be covered by the Rhodes Trust and will cover the round trip cost of a first class rail ticket, but excluding hotel expenses. International travels for those attending from overseas cannot be funded. All applicants will be emailed with the outcome of this application. Next is, selection for the Rhodes Scholarship is made without regard to financial means, marital status, race, ethnic origin, color, gender, region, sexual orientation, social background, disability, caste, or other irrelevant distinctions. Next is procedure after selection. Successful applicants will need to apply to the University of Oxford very soon after selection. Full details will be given upon selection. That's all for the Rhodes Scholarship. If you have any question, let us know in the comment section below. Please subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed yet, and share this video with your friends.